In today's video, I'll be talking about how I replaced my upper radiator hose. Just a quick little video on how I did it. Unfortunately, I didn't get any footage of me changing it out. It was a kind of a spur of the moment thing since I ordered a couple hoses and I decided to throw it on there because it really needed to be done. So this is what my old hose looked like. It's in really bad shape. It sat just like this. And just kind of a little backstory for you. Whenever I would have the Jeep running for like 10 minutes, just sitting here idling after a drive, this part right here of the hose, you can see how it's bulging out. It would like expand. It would look like a snake ate a mouse. Like it would grow bigger and bigger and bigger. And one time I gave it a little rev after having the vehicle warm up, and it squirted out some coolant, and it got like on top of the engine bay when it was really hot, and it started smoking. So that was not good. But anyways, like I knew it had to be done, so I decided to throw it on. And so this is how it's looking. It looks pretty good. It's a little bit taller, but it looks really nice, and it was really easy to do. It was a two-man job. My dad helped me yesterday. We put two of these like old yogurt containers underneath the hose like this right here to catch the fluid when we took it off. We took this side off first. There was quite a bit of spillage. We laid a plastic tarp down there, and this bucket didn't really help because we caught all of it with two of these. And once we got this side off, I was squeezing this side to squeeze the fluid out over here, and then I laid a couple rags down right here, caught the excess fluid. It's pretty easy to do. So yeah, very satisfied. And honestly, I can tell a difference on how this car runs. Like at a cruising speed of like 45, I can tell like it's a little bit quieter. It really did help. So if you're looking to do this, it's very easy. It'll take you 20-30 minutes. It was my first time, so like that's how long it took for me to do. But yeah, pretty sweet. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Garrett, and this is my 86 Grand Wagoneer that I'm slowly restoring. A little update on my Wagoneer if you're new to the channel. I've done quite a bit of body work. It's still not done, but I am planning on having it go into paint by the beginning of January. I'm not sure if that's going to happen, but we'll see about that. Ooh, bunch of dirt fell. By the latest, it'll go into paint end of January. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe for weekly Sunday uploads. I try and upload a video every Sunday on what I'm doing, just everything on what I'm doing. I'm trying to document the whole process, because one day I would like to do this again and look back on like what exactly I did, everything I did to the first one, the one I have right now. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day, and we'll see you in the next one.